Speaker, I appreciate the question from the honorable.
Akiaria mbere ya mbunge ya Senate muthenya wa umuthi, Minista wa uheani wa motungata ma muingi Kuria ni atariirie ati maabitha a NYS nio mekuhuthika kurima migunda ya thirikari iria itarahuthika niguo kuhura njeki ukuria wa irio guku bururi-ini.
And it is my commitment to the country that through the National Youth Service, we'll be able to match our especially subsistence farmers and our medium-sized farmers, especially in the North Rift. The total output from farmers on individual basis is going to be matched 1-to-1 by the National Youth Service, so that we have got a reliable source of food.
Kuria oho ni atariirie ati ministry yake ni kunyitanira na ministry ya urimi niguo gukombora migunda iria itarahuthika kaunti-ini ari hamwe na mugunda wa Galana Kulalu mwena wa Kilifi na Trans Nzoia na niguo kuhuthia garama ya muturire iria yabatirite mwena-ini wa irio.
You can expect, Senator, that the biggest farmer in this country service. We are going to utilize all our existing land, including the land in Samburu that you've talked about. Tomorrow, because of the partnership that we'll be launching with the Ministry of Agriculture, the Agricultural Development Corporation, Kenya Seed Corporation, we are also going to discuss with them how they will also will release land from them in areas like Galana Kulalu, and you can expect that next big supplier of food, of maize for the local market and for the export market is going to be the National Youth Service.
Riu makiria ni augite ati ministry yake iri na miario ya uiguano na thirikari cia county niguo gutuma maabitha NYS migunda-ini ya thirikari.
Honorable Speaker, we are discussing with the county government to deploy the National Youth Service. We have got counties which have already given us land to do seed propagation within the counties, to move from the current system where our counties, our farmers in the counties are expecting seedlings to be supplied from Nairobi, which I find not acceptable because it's the other way around.
Nake Minista wa ugima wa mwiri Nakhumicha ni atariirie ati ministry yake ni igathikite mitaratara yake watho ya kurehe uigananu gatagati ka aria mari mawathe na aria matari hari uheani wa motungata ma ugima wa mwiri.
The ministry, in collaboration with relevant stakeholders, is working tirelessly to advocate for persons with disabilities by developing and streamlining disability inclusive policies and enhancing the ease of accessibility to facilities and services in the health sector.
Oho Nakhumicha ni atariirie ati niguo kuhukia na guthaitira wathe wa meciria ni mahete githomo maabitha ugima wa mwiri ya county niguo gutarana kurwa na wathe wa meciria na makiria kugathika mitaratara ya watho ya githomo kia wathe wa meciria undu umwe na kuiga indo thibitari-ini cia kurigita.
As a ministry, we have undertaken training of all county directors of health and the disability assessment teams on disability medical assessment and categorization, and further developed the disability medical assessment and categorization guidelines to make assessment standards across the country. Equally, Honorable Speaker, in the last 2 months, as a ministry, we have undertaken an assessment.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Ciigii wa Njohi.
Thank you muno mundu gwitwo Ciigii wa Njohi ni riboti yo Moses.